Okay, oh my gosh, my phone's about to be dead. I need to charge it, but I gotta tell you guys about this chicken. Oh my gosh, it is so good. Okay, so I made this baked chicken. I took a can of cream of mushroom soup. I took a can of cream of chicken soup, and I mixed it with 1 cup of um, heavy whipping cream. Then I took my seasonings. I used chicken seasoning, and I used paprika, smoked paprika, and I used mushrooms. And I poured that over the chicken. Oh my gosh. This is the best chicken I've ever had in my life. It is so, 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 so good. You guys have to try this recipe. You will, your family and you will be so happy. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe how this turned out. It was so good. So good. I even put one to the side for myself. I'm gonna donate these dishes, but I had to set aside one plate for myself.